Good. Today we need to look at functions here in this random paper revision. This is for IG 2024 February March exams. So we need to look at functions. Okay. So in the function here, let us look at these composite functions. The composite functions, first of all, we are given gf into 2. Then you can see here f is 1 over x. So at this point it is going to be 1 over 2. The function 1 over x, which is equal to 1 over 2. Again we have g here. Now it will be g into 1 over 2 is equal to, remember we have 3 x minus 5. So it will be 3, I replace x here with 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 minus 5, which is going to be what? That is 3 over 2 minus 5. When we have 3 over 2 minus 5, you'll get your answer to be, that is when we subtract 3 over 2 minus 5, that is negative 3.5. Okay. Then look at the second one at this point here, that we need to find the function inverse of that one. Now to find the function inverse of that one, you find out that in the function inverse there is some of the things you need to know. One, you need to make sure your function is 1 to 1. Only 1 to 1 function have the inverse. This one here is 1 to 1. Another one, given a function, switch the x and y's. Remember that the function x is a substitute to function y. Function x here is a substitute to function y. So we need to replace x with the substitute of y. Then at this point here, we need to solve for the new y. You will need to manipulate the expression to solve for the function, or to find the new operation that must be performed on the input. So we need to replace y with g, the function g of x, the inverse of it, whereby now at this point here, when we replace this one here, now it will be x equals to, we need to replace this one here, that now it's going to be 3y minus 5. But I need to make y the subject of the formula. This one moves to the other side. Okay, now it will be x plus 3y. So is x plus this one is going to be x plus 5. Sorry, this x plus 5 equals to 3y. So because this negative 5, it moves to the other side, it becomes x plus 5 equals to 3y. So here it is 3y equals to x plus 5. I need to find y alone, so I divide it by 3, I divide it by 3. So y equals to x plus 5 over 3. So here the answer will be the inverse of this one, that is x plus 5 over 3. That's why you find out that when you need to find the inverse of that one, the first thing you need to do is to replace the function of x here with y. Then look at D. We are being told that find the simplest form. How do we find the simplest form of that one when we are given g into x minus 5 minus 2? Remember, g, we were given x equals to 3x minus 5, and here they have given us the function of g into x minus 2. So it is going to be 3 into x minus 2 minus 5, because now I have replaced the x with the x minus 2. Then this point here is going to be what? Let me open the bracket. 3 times x, that is 3x minus 6 minus 5, whereby it is going to be 3x minus 6 minus 5, that is minus 11. So the answer is 3x minus 11. Okay, then the next one we are given here this is a composite function, that's fg into x equals to 1. So the first thing you do here, look at that composite function here, is that we are given g to be the function. When g to be the function, first of all, remember f, the function of f, we were told it is 1 over x. Okay, then g x, we were told it is 3x minus 5. Okay, now here we have fg into x minus is equals to 0.5. So I'm going to write that the function of x, which is equals to 1 over x, here now I replace with this one, that is 3x minus 5. Okay, if it is 3x minus 5, now it will be 1 over 3x minus 5 equals to 0.1. Okay, so here it is going to be what? I need to multiply this one on the both side, or I can write 1 over 3x minus 5 equals to 1 over 10. So it's going to be 10 equals to 3x minus 5. I have changed this one into fraction. Now this one comes to the other side. Now it is going to be 3x equals to 10 plus 5, whereby 3x equals to 15. Okay, but we need x. I divide here by 3, divide here by 3. So x equals to 5. So here the answer is 5. Okay, look at the last one. Now here we are being told that is the function of h we are given 2 power x, and then g we were given 3x minus 5. Okay, so but here we have been told g is 7. Now let me replace this one here, 3 times 7 minus 5, whereby this is 21. 21 minus 5, we get to be 16. So it is now 2 power x minus 16 equals to 0. I take this one to the other side. Okay, that is going to be 2 power x equals to 16. Now I need to change this 16 here to have the same base as this one here. Remember that 16, I need to have the same base. So it will be what? That is 2 power x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4. So I have made it to have the same base, and then I drop the bases. When you drop the bases, you remain with x equals to 4. So here the answer is 4. Okay, thanks, have a nice time, and don't forget to subscribe.